Hey everyone, Ben here from Brightstone Engineering, a UK manufacturer of wheel spacers and hub adapters. And today we're going to be talking about cars that use wheel studs instead of wheel bolts. So let's get the camera turned around and I'll explain to you what you need to know. Right, so what we've got here is an Aston Martin Vantage wheel hub. And as you can see, this uses pressed in studs rather than bolts that will go through the wheel and into the hub. Normally you would have 5 here. Obviously it's a 5-stud car, but because this is our test rig, we've only got 2 at the moment. We've taken some of the others out for various reasons. Now, when you've got a stud sticking out of the hub and you put the wheel over the top, you need a certain amount of what they call engagement between the nut and the stud. So that means the amount of times that you can turn this fully around needs to be a certain amount. So on an M14x2, typically that's 7 to 9 full turns before it bottoms out. Now imagine when you've got the wheel on here, it comes up to about there. You actually get with these 7 full turns before you hit the wheel. Now, if you put on a spacer, in this case a 15mm spacer, and then the wheel on top of that, you'll get about 3 full turns of engagement before the nut bottoms out on the wheel. And that's just not safe. You need 7 to 9 full turns. So what we do with our Brightstone Engineering kits is we supply extended studs. So on the back here, you can see the back of the studs. You press those out, you put the new ones in, either press them in or pull them through. And then this stud is 15mm longer than that stud, which makes up for the fact you've got a 15mm spacer. So that's how we deal with stud replacements with our Brightstone Engineering kits.